When I asked God to make me a believer, I never expected what happened next. See, the biggest thing that people are misunderstanding is I didn't believe in God until I saw the devil. And it is those moments where you are in sheer darkness. You see nothing but the bad, nothing but the evil. That's when the light will shine the brightest. That's whenever you will see it.
Mantan paranormal, Travon Thatcher, mengaku dirinya diajari Al-Quran oleh jin.
A king of the jinns taught me the Quran and I had no idea. Now, I've been working with Asmodeus for quite some time now, and by no surprise that my life changed immediately after working with him for the first time. But as I read further through the Quran, there is tons of moments and tons of stories that are within that book that I've been talking about for years. Now, for everybody out there that's not involved in the left-hand path or the occult, you guys have to understand that we don't worship these things. We stand next to them. When we summon something like Asmodeus, we see ourselves as equal to them, as if they stand with us. Now, it's very interesting because Asmodeus is a king of the jinn, but he is a jinn himself and has entire free will.
Sebagai disclaimer, aku tidak bisa memverifikasi pernyataannya tentang jin itu benar atau tidak. Dan Travon dibesarkan sebagai seorang Kristen di dalam keluarga Kristen. Saat ia membaca dan mempelajari Alkitab Bible, ia menemukan ketoksikan dalam ajaran Bible. Lalu, dalam perjalanannya menuju kebenaran, ia mempelajari banyak agama dan kitab suci. Selama ia mempelajari berbagai kitab suci, ia merasa ada bagian yang hilang dan menemukan banyak kontradiksi, terutama di dalam Bible.
If you have the book, flip open to page 48 and look at this. Compare Matthew 1:16 to Luke 3:23. Says, and Jacob begot Joseph, the husband of Mary, of whom was born Jesus, who is called Christ. But it also says that the son of Joseph, which was the son of Heli. And this is one of the most disrespectful things I've ever found in the Christian Bible. It's claiming that he had two grandfathers on one side of his lineage. And my question is, how do you get something like that so wrong? And this has me starting to believe that the Christian Bible wasn't corrupted by Iblis. It was written by Iblis.
Also,
ia juga menyebut bahwa jin atau dalam kepercayaan agama lain ada yang menyebutnya sebagai dewa. Mereka itu bergantung pada suatu hal dan tidak berdiri sendiri. Berbeda dengan Allah yang Maha Kuasa.
All these spirits, all these demons, all these angels, all this different stuff require our worship to survive. They require our energy. We have to do rituals. We have to work with them. We have to feel fear. There's something we give out to let them exist. Now, for humanity and things that happen in the flesh, we require air to breathe. We require food to eat. Even plants require the sun to exist. Fish need the ocean and other fish and different minerals in the water. But if you look at Allah, He requires nothing. Allah is the only thing that is 100% self-sufficient.
Di salah satu videonya, ia menjelaskan bahwa dengan membaca Al-Quran, itu bisa menghilangkan rasa cemasnya.
Whenever I became grateful, all the anxiety went away instantly. And this made me learn something. That you cannot be anxious, you cannot have anxiety while you're grateful. Now, further studying the Quran and talking about how you need to be grateful every single day, it blew my mind. Like, why do you guys think the Quran pushes gratitude so much? Yes, it's the right way to live, it's the right thing to do, but why? It completely removes anxiety, it completely removes a ton of negative emotion out of you and puts you in a higher vibrational state for those who want to look at it that way.
Travon sekarang sudah masuk Islam dan ia kerap membagikan pengalamannya tentang Islam dan menjelaskan tentang Islam di akun sosial medianya. Kita doakan ia istiqomah di jalan Islam, dan dari video-video tadi, hikmah yang bisa kita ambil dan pelajari adalah hidayah itu bisa datang kepada siapa saja. Yang penting kita mau belajar tentang Islam, mau membaca Al-Quran. Insya Allah, Allah akan membimbing kita. Semoga video ini bermanfaat. Wallahu a'lam bishawab. Barakallahu fikum.